Welcome. We're here at the inn at Shaker Mill Falls and our new flower garden installation. We went with pallets to show people that it's accessible, that it's within everyone's budget to be starting to grow plants, flowers, food in their own homes and yards. So this whole installment went in for the price of one box of screws, which we had anyway from other projects. What you see here is a variety of plants living together, working together. We have morning glories, we have marigolds, we have a huge variety of different wildflowers and rescued plants, tomatoes from our garden, sunflowers, Thai basil rescued from the kitchen garden, and sage and nasturtium, and a little hugel bed experiment over here with just about this much soil and a lot of wood materials that really traps the moisture. So it's an experimental garden, it's a rescue garden, it's a flower garden, and it only cost a box of screws.